Mae cyrsiau dysgu Cymraeg Gwaith yn gyrsiau Dwys. Mae'n ffordd wahanol o ddysgu. Maen nhw'n gwneud ffrindiau yn gyflym iawn. Mae'n magu hyder yn gyflym iawn. A'r peth pwysica, maen nhw'n gwneud cynnydd cyflym iawn.
Dwi eisiau dysgu Cymraeg i siarad yn y gwaith. Mae cwrs am ddim hefyd siarad Cymraeg efo'r teulu.
I'm really interested in learning Welsh. I tried to learn it several years ago and the opportunity was too good to miss.
So I'm a physiotherapist and I work in the community, so I wanted to be able to speak it with my elderly patients.
I've been learning since November, so around 3 months. It's a nice experience with everybody in the same boat, and we've developed a lot of friendships within the class, and it's quite informal, so we do have a laugh.
It's been a really good experience. I'm surprised at how much I can actually say.
Mae'r cwrs yn wahanol achos mae yn 4 awr yn y wythnos yn yr amser gwaith.
Dwi'n deall mwy Cymraeg rwan, a dwi eisiau siarad mwy.
It's really fun to learn, it's very hard, but you just keep going.
Mae o'n gyfle gwych i ddysgu.